Hey guys, you guys have told me numerous times that you would like to see my makeup room, so I will take you on a tour. So I'm currently in my room. This is my couch. That is my vanity. It is a room that hangs off of the roof of my house. There's my little setup. There's my little air freshener thing. There's my little pigments, all of my eyeshadows. I have some candles up there, perfume, lotion, some more perfume. Those are all sample perfumes. These are all of my brushes that I have. Down there is my dirty brushes. That's my dirty brush bin. Don't mind my mess. I just did my makeup. This is my ring light, the only light that I have right now. Hopefully I can get a better setup later. Over there is, well, I should say up here is my Sheet Glam and all of my glitters that I have. These are like pomade eyeshadow mixes, and then these are all of my eyeliners that I have. Over here, I have colorful eyeliners, black eyeliners, creams that are colors. These are some of my lip shades that I like. Over there is some more lip stuff. I don't know. Kind of have it a little bit organized, but there is some organization to my madness. So while I'm sitting here, I figured I would also point out this poster. It's an anatomy poster that I got, I don't know, in high school sometime. I periodically hang it up over my window, sometimes because the morning sun can be a little much. Also, over here, I didn't explain, those are some of my frequently used palettes. I also have some down here because, obviously, while I'm sitting here, that's just easier for me to grab than all the way over there. I don't know if you noticed, but a lot of my tools are on my left side. It's because I am left-handed. So it just makes it a little easier. I figured I would flip you back around so then you could look at my face. So this is my backdrop. I have a couple of these. I have I don't know if it's spring-loaded or what it is, but that is not permanent. Hopefully I'll get more of these later. We'll see. But yeah, that was a video of my makeup room. Hope you guys enjoy. Tune in next time. Bye!